Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we are at a drift event. I know we usually do a lot of front wheel drive stuff. We're gonna change it up a little bit. I went to this same event last year, so yeah, I'm just out here having a blast. I got Mario with me.
What's going on, guys?
You guys have seen him before, so you guys know the deal. So yeah, I'm gonna get some 4K footage for you guys. I might do a couple ride-alongs, bring you guys along with me. And yeah, let's just have a good time. But no further ado, let's make it happen. Got some pretty gnarly drift cars out here, crazy livery on them. Colorado drift scene is actually pretty cool. Not as big as places like Florida, Arizona, Texas, you know. Obviously places with warmer climates, but
Still nice though.
yeah, there's definitely still some pretty cool cars here. Out of all the cars you've seen, which one is your favorite so far?
My favorite so far is probably that S14 over there, man.
The S14, you guys can't really see it, it's tucked in the back, but
I don't
man.
know why they took him out, but
Right.
that's my favorite.
For real though. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed some of that 4K footage. Tried to do a little bit of some cinematic stuff for you. But I'm actually about to hop in this S15 right here from M-Spec. So yeah, let's see how it goes. You ready?
Oh, I'm fucking ready, bud.
I guess I should be asking myself that question.
Are you ready for sketchy shit?
Hell yeah. Dude, this is next level, man.
It's so slippery.
Oh no!
My wheel fell off.
Fuck.
Yeah, you usually need 4 of those. What's that? I said you usually need 4 of those. Probably.
You gonna go for the 360 again?
Oh yeah.
too good, man. This is just too good. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the drift day. I tried to get you guys some really good footage, some 4K stuff, as well as some in-car stuff. Super crazy driving in the S15, super awesome, definitely a crazy experience. If you guys watched all the way through the video, I really appreciate it, you know, just trying to grow the channel one good video at a time. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.